But that's not sprinkles.
Hey guys,
And this is my video. Okay. Hey guys, this is Lily. If Chloe shows it to me. We made sludge today with sprinkles. Okay.
Well, I didn't make my slime with sprinkles, so.
But I did. And
Two people. She did. You can see the sprinkles in there.
Kind of.
And then you can see a lot of sprinkles.
Here, I'm gonna go turn off. Okay. I'll tell you what I made it. I made my slime cotton candy ice cream. Me and Piper's used to look like cotton candy because it was like pink and blue, but when we were playing with it, it kind of mixed in. I'll show you my other slime. My other slime is like vanilla ice cream / birthday cake
that I gave her.
Yeah.
And then
I added sprinkles.
She traded me, and she added sprinkles to that one too, I think.
Yeah, I did.
And Hershey
I barely
syrup.
could see it anymore. Piper, could I have the sprinkle? You just put it away, didn't you? No, I had it in there. Oh, okay.
So, I love my pool blue. No, it's sea blue, I'm sorry. And it crunches really well. You can hear in the video, probably.
Yeah, that's our fine.
And yeah, it's really nice. We made it with glue and Tide and water. And
The water helps it not be that sticky.
yeah.
Obviously, for me, it didn't work.
Yeah, we have some sticky slime.
Yeah, never add Hershey syrup to slime. It ends up like very sticky.
Yeah.
Did you just try to get off the hands? No. I tried to get this one.
I'm gonna put this slime away then. This is
Pool blue, you said.
sea blue.
Oh, you named it sea blue?
This is sea blue. If you can see it.
Cause see,
It's like purple.
get it.
It looks purple on the camera, but it's actually blue in real life.
Yeah, it probably looks like a different color, but that's good.
Yeah. And then, oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
Get on my pan.
Okay, guys, look at my ice creams. If you can see it. Did you guys see it? Comment down below if you saw my slime. Actually, I'll just show it to you right now.
Okay. See some drop.
Oh! See, look, mine has sprinkles, and it's really cool. See the sprinkles?
The camera doesn't want to see the sprinkles.
Huh?
Hers has a lot of sprinkles in there.
See, sprinkles.
I have a sprinkle in mine.
She had a sprinkle. She's put it on.
I hate sprinkles. No, they're cool. I
We
cookies.
we got them because we had ice cream sundae last night. But just remember, do not add Hershey syrup in your ice cream.
You can add it in your ice cream, but don't add it in your slime. Remember to never put
Hershey syrup.
Hershey syrup in your slime.
It makes it super
Sticky.
Look at that. Never
But
put my handprint in my slime. Look, guys, look.
But if you
handprint's in my slime.
like slime like sticky, this will be good for you. And then if you don't like it,
Do you see all these
then you can you can keep on putting water in it, and then it will get
Forever
under.
here from preschool. This is sticky.
So yeah,
But it actually
and
looks like
then-
ice cream. Doesn't it?
Don't
you just want to eat it? Yeah.
Me
You
too.
can eat the sprinkles.
But
No, because it had stuff in it. Because it was in slime. Ooh, ice cream is sticky, so maybe this could be real ice cream. I could print my brother with this. Who's like, wait.
Yay! I have some slime.
Like Brayden, look, I brought ice cream from Chloe's. I'm too full, so do you want to eat it?
He's gonna probably want to eat it.
He's really stupid. It does look like liquid though, look. He is kind of dumb. So he might fall for it.
Would he eat slime?
cool. Yours is cool. Mine's cool
Alright.
too.
What is it in my container?
I don't know. I just didn't know where to put it.
Alright.
Mine's bouncy. Bouncy. I'm gonna use a
Mine's
little
not
piece.
that bouncy at all.
I'm gonna use a little piece.
And we're gonna do
Hey, Chloe, can I have some water?
no. And Lily might do a giveaway of some slimes that she
She
made.
did.
And if you want slimes, comment down below.
And
And
comment
we
down,
might get them to you.
comment down below if you've ever.
depending on where
Comment
you
down
live.
below. Comment down below if you've ever made slime.
Yeah.
If you say Lily Rose, then you will get slime.
Yeah. Comment down Lily Rose and your
address.
and your email.
Your address and your name. And then
And
we'll send
email.
you some slime.
And email. Your first and your last name.
And
Look at the
address.
sprinkle.
If you live in an apartment house, give us your apartment number or your P.O. box, and we'll send it to there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're
Straight to ya.
This will only happen if you have Musical.ly. DM me. I mean, on Instagram. You can only do this if you have Musical.ly or Instagram.
Yeah.
My Musical.ly account is dot is Lily, and my
Instagram.
Instagram account is Jojo Siwa Lover /Jojo. I mean Jojo Siwa fan /Jojo Lover. Or is it the other way? Jojo Siwa fans /
Well, just put it in that. Just put
JoJo
it
Siwa fans.
Look at me, bubble.
Yeah.
This is so cool. Mine's too.
What if someone moves into my house next week?
What if she moved?
What if you move into our house?
I
And
hope.
you would have no brother.
Hey,
Oh yeah, you would have one brother, but he's
Like-
not that crazy.
well, and you can make slime a lot more often. And my mom wouldn't care. And we could share a room.
Yeah, but we would need one more bed.
For who?
Lily, if she was, she lived here.
True.
I would probably,
She could sleep in the guest room.
that would probably be my room.
And Lily would share a room. I don't know if Lily would
Or-
like that, but
Probably me and Lily would share a room, and then you would be in your
Piper would be in the guest room, and me and Chloe would be in the room. You guys are.
why? 'Cause you don't like me?
Oh, because Chloe is like the same age as me.
No, and then we're probably gonna get like teenager size beds.
No, I get it. You don't like me.
You would get a teenager-sized bed, Piper.
Yeah, but I get it. You only want to share. You would only want to share with me, Chloe, because she's cool.
I like you, Piper.
Oh, next year I want to get like another like
My bed's bigger than anyone's. Well, any of the kids.
I want to get like a bed that you can have a bed another
Like, and
bed.
you can just zip it up.
Yeah.
Guys, wait. We're not even talking to the fan.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, but we're not talking about them. Hey guys. Sorry, that's what I started. But this is mine. Do you see the sprinkle? You see this? Yeah, it's probably it's purple. It's blue. It's bluish purple, so.
Oh, look at that stretch. Alright.
So, look how stretchy it can get. It's a jump rope.
And we are gonna edit our outros today. So
Yeah, and at
our
the end of
intro
the
with
video,
all of us
at the end, and at the end of the video, we'll comment down like who's commented and who's like supportive. So, fan of the week,
we'll do
fan of the week at the end, right, Lily?
Sure.
we'll do some
Yeah.
random people that we don't know.
Yeah, and we'll just
Random people.
random people that subscribe to, and remember, we're gonna end the vlogs, but before we do, subscribe to this
have big mouths.
Subscribe to this channel.
and give it a thumbs up.
Here's our outro music.
And you'll get slime if you put your email, your Musical.ly account, your name,
And if you want to
address,
follow me on Musical.ly,
it's 20. It's it's Lily, and you have to do your Instagram.
My Musical.ly name is Duh, and then the little line, and then Lily Daily. I mean, Duh, it's Lily Daily. So, Duh, then the little line, it's little line, and then Lily Daily.
Yeah.
That was the outro music time.
Wait.
And also, my Instagram account is Jojo Siwa Fan / Jojo Lover. I mean, Jojo Siwa Fan, and then that thing, Jojo Lover.
Underscore.
So, follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, and you have to have Instagram Musical.ly so you can get a free slime from this.
And also, if you have Instagram, if you want to get a free slime, you have to have Instagram or Musical.ly, so you can DM me your address, which means text me.
And you have
And
to
we're
have
gonna
your
put up our
address.
slime shop maybe.
And comment down below what's your favorite food. And your
No, let's let the fans decide what they should be. What should mine be? What should Piper's be?
And
And
what
what
should mine be?
What should hers be?
Uh,
Okay, bye.
bye guys.